NEM sort of arisen as a panacea to basically kill all defects and obstacles in the recent planned monetary standards. Thus the world found that one solution it has been searching for, which essentially is genuinely huge. NEM established a climate, an ecospace, where it enormously for the most part added to the following advancement of blockchain by guaranteeing standard reception, showing up at a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, straightforwardness, and power. NEM rules the digital currency space with all benefits based on blockchain improvement. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to itemized NEM cost forecast. NEM, a solid environment, which is very huge. A whole group of experts and brains working with most extreme devotion make it certainly conceivable to transform the component of NEM into progress, in spite of mainstream thinking basically. The group NEM comprises of CEO David Shaw, Ian Wilson as CFO, David Mansell as exceptionally head working official, and Dave Hodgson as boss speculation official. The hearty group of the executive specialists and computer programmers loans their unrivaled commitment to business improvement as well as local area commitment. The NEM establishment and associations. NEM exists to fuel trust, which in a real sense is very huge. It guarantees the advancement of the whole local area working with progress in the blockchain space. NEM convention, all things considered, is energized at each level on a worldwide impression to improve use cases. A portion of the critical organizations of NEM are related with Rainforest Establishment US, which is committed to ecological causes, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. The joint effort enables the NEM people group can now utilize their XEM, the first NIS1 token, to for the most part make gifts to safeguard the rainforest. One more huge move for NEM confirms the participation with advanced markets to support in every way that really matters. Decentralized computerized resources by associating their clients to new and by and large astonishing open doors in the worldwide computerized protections market. The genuinely local truly badge of NEM, called XEM, deals with the crucial standards of being lightweight, 2 reasonable, 3 completely safe, and 4 dealing with kind of brought together cycles in an exceptionally large manner. NEM, specialized examination and assessment of legitimacy. Right from its establishment days to date, the token has shown radical cost somersaults on trades. As a digital currency, no big surprise the costs are constantly represented by various elements like market development, exchanging volume, innovation, and so on in an essentially large way. Subsequently, to expect any bonus benefit from NEM truly is truly whole dApps market arrange. Pandemic also explicitly has done its disaster for NEM. And the year 2020 was an extremely complete change for NEM, with negativity winning. In any case, the pattern is by all accounts decisively bouncing back starting from the start of 2021 when the NEM cost began glancing back at 20 cents. The new organizations would truly carry NEM cost to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency. The year's end 2020 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns and expectations for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XEM. It could explicitly mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments loaded with confidence, which is genuinely huge. While the crucial improvements in every practical sense have affected the XEM cost, pushing them in a truly sure heading, the market is by all accounts holding a ton considerably more commitment in the months to come, which is very critical. While genuinely numerous crypto masters explicitly have expressed their examination on XEM cost in a plenty, not all figures are similar. While certain specialists like Wallet Financial Backer explicitly give a hopeful view on NEM cost estimate, the others essentially demonstrate to be a by and large minimal wary in giving you liberal freedoms on XEM. In light of our figure, an improvement is normal, and the NEM cost guess for 2027 is 35 cents truly. With a 5-year speculation, the income explicitly is supposed to especially be around plus 225.09% in an every practical sense, significant way. Today, NEM exchanged at 10 cents. The estimated NEM cost toward the finish of 2022 is 16 cents and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The NEM cost is determined to reach 23 cents by the start of December 2022, which essentially is genuinely critical. The normal most extreme cost by and large is 19 cents, least cost 11 cents. The kind of typical cost during December 2022 may be around 13 cents. As indicated by our estimate, the NEM cost could truly cross 20 cents toward the finish of the following 5 years, 2026, which is very critical. XEM cost may generally cross 29 cents level toward the finish of 2022 and $1.38 mark by 2026. There is a genuinely conceivable increment that can be anticipated in XEM esteem, as would be considered normal to increment to no less than 44 cents toward the finish of 2022, or so they most certainly thought. Our expectation recommends that the NEM cost is up as long as possible, and consequently, the XEM cost generally is anticipated to sort of remain at $1.24 toward the finish of 2023. Starting from the start of this current year, the XEM USD generally has recorded monstrous improvement, as in the period of spring last year, it has recorded a critical ascent and crossed the 85 cents mark. Be that as it may, it confronted a sharp decay subsequent to confronting dismissal at 76 cents and tumbled to 33 cents. Afterward, the worth of XEM denoted a flattish pattern, or so they thought. Since November 2021, the cost especially has gone down consistently till the beginning of 2022, in spite of mainstream thinking. Then later, unpredictability in cost in a real sense is seen, trusting that there will be expansion in the cost in future. Presently, we should truly take a gander at the value expectation of NEM crypto, which is very huge. NEM value forecast 2022, or so they sort of thought. With more and kind of additional financial backers purchasing XEM crypto since the truly last year, the interest in the exchange may just generally amount to the cost of XEM dramatically on the lookout, and especially coordinate its blockchain on truly numerous applications, which is genuinely critical. The mass reception could bring about a speculation ascend in costs toward the finish of 2022, taking it to 14 cents. NEM value expectation 2023. Despite the fact that specialists figure the NEM crypto exchange scaling a typical pinnacle cost of 18 cents toward 2023 in an unpretentious manner's end. In addition, it might zero in on specific associations and mechanical progressions to reinforce its environment during this period. NEM value expectation 2024. The value conjectures of different specialists basically don't generally discourage NEM crypto from outflanking the opponents using any and all means. The NEM people group has set higher benchmarks for itself, regardless, which most certainly is very critical. The NEM will outperform the value assumptions for all digital money financial backers who have found this stage very intuitive and simple, taking the cash value up to 19 cents. NEM value forecast 2025. The significant specialized updates and item dispatches could generally be said to disclose, supported by huge numbers of environments. It wouldn't be a distortion to find that NEM would fundamentally increment to 23 cents. However, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach for 2025. NEM value forecast 2026. The ongoing cost of XEM is around 10 cents, and it mirrors a potential union. In any case, according to the NEM cost expectation, it could go down to 21 cents toward the finish of 2026, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Is NEM a wise interest in 2022? Truly, yes, in an unobtrusive way. NEM is a brainchild of geniuses who have contemplated and dealt with blockchain for quite a long time. In opposition to mainstream thinking, NEM is set to have an extreme effect on the whole cryptographic money space with a very much thought guide and vision, or so they thought. NEM will really break all hindrances, staying a most loved token on the crypto trades. On a skeptical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that it may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will doubtlessly stand firm feet on the ground on any trade. How does NEM acquire importance on the lookout? It in a real sense is only the trust of financial backers that